So for today's video, I'm going to use the Math Learning Center website to help show how the numbers work on a clock. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at some examples now. So let's go ahead and explain the basic functions on the clock here, which is an analog clock, by the way. So for the big hand, you have the minute hand, which moves basically every minute. Okay, and then for the little hand or the small hand, that's the hour hand. Now it basically moves just from one number to the next every hour, but it does move slowly as the minute hand moves here. Okay, so let's go ahead and just show you that real quick here. So you got past the hour. So I'm going to just take the minute hand here and just move it over. And this is moving every minute. And as you can see, as it's moving, the hour hand is actually moving with it. Okay. So if I go up to this part here, this is basically 15 minutes past the hour, or you can say 8:15, okay? And if you look at the hour hand, it has slowly moved too, okay? And then if I just keep moving here, we'll go down to 8:30, and now you can say 8:30, or you can say 8:30, okay? Then let's go ahead and move this up here to the 9. And now we have to the hour. So basically anything after 8:30, you could say to the hour. Okay, so you can say 15 minutes to the hour. If it's not 8:45, okay, you can say something like that. Okay, and if we keep moving it up, it'll go all the way back up to the top here, and it's 9 o'clock now. All right, so this is just basically how the analog clock works when you're going to use it. So the hour hand is pointing past the 9 here. The minute hand is pointing to the 2 here. Okay, so you can say that it is 10 past 9. Okay, down here on the bottom, I got the digital clock here that goes with the analog clock. And on this side, I've got the hour. And on this side, I've got the minutes. So you can say that it is 9:10, or you can say it's 10 past 9. The hour hand is pointing past the 3. The minute hand is pointing to the 8. So you can say that it is 20 to 4. And again, looking at the digital clock down here, you can say that it is 3:40 or 20 to 4. So for my final example, I've got the hour hand is pointing past the 10. The minute hand is pointing just past the 4. So you can say that it is 23 minutes past 10. As you can see, it does say that it is 10:23, and I put PM in on this one, or 23 minutes past 10. So I've got 2 bonus activities for you. And for the first one, I want you to write the digital times for the following below. So I've already got the time set here, and just write the digital time for them, okay? For the second one, I want you to show the correct time below. So I've got A, B, and C here because I want you to read what each one says. I'm not going to read it, but I will tell you that the analog clock does have the moving hands like I showed you earlier, okay? So you can just go ahead and read what A, B, and C are saying, and then just put the hands where they should go, okay? Now, I will leave an answer key for both of these in the description down below. So I just wanted to show you how you can use an analog clock with the Math Learning website here, okay? And as always, like I mentioned, it's totally free, so you can get online and you don't have to worry about paying for anything, okay? So especially with clocks, you really need to be able to move those hands in a practical way, just like the real clock would. All right. So this is why I wanted to do this, use this website, that is, and then show you how to do that. Okay. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you for my next video.